If you are not getting the free apps points to get a play point, then I have a tricks which will help you to get the free play point app. Watch the full video to know the tricks, and I will clear your doubt regarding the play points in this video. So watch the full video. At first, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel and keep the notification bell at all, which gives my video notification to you at first. So guys, let's start the video. At first I am going to show you there is not any app given by play points to install and get the point. I am going to show you how we can get it. So I am going to show you my history. There is many play point app given before, so it has been invisible. So how can we get the free app? We are going to talking about it. So friends, you should go to your screen and you should go to your app storage and you should clear your data of Google Play Store. So guys, you should clear your data of Google Play Store, then you should open the playpoints account which you want to get the point. Then you can see it has been arrived. So I'm going to install it and get a point. So it is taking some minutes to reload. So I'm going to install. Yes friends, you can also apply this tricks. These tricks cannot work, then I have another trick also which work. So guys, it again has been invisible. So guys, you should have only one Gmail at a time to install the playpoint app. You should remove other Gmail while climbing the playpoint app. So I am going to show you my next account which I have climbed the play points before. It is my USA account. You can see $sign which indicates that it is my USA account. So you can see I have climbed many play points app in this account. You can see I am showing this history. Yes guys, you can also climb it and get free play points. So I have got a quest also to get a point. So in the some Google account playpoint app has not arrived till now because it is the problem of server error. I am going to show you the glitch has been arrived in the July 5 sorry. So it has get a point of 20 in each app of 5. So guys, it will remove soon and you will be getting the free play points. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.